Welcome back at Remoer FM's Business Hour, where our guest tonight is heating up a conversation before we even got started. But before we go into the conversation, Esra, I just want to say thank you also to my technical guy tonight. The technical team is driven by Henke Foster tonight. So thank you, Henke, behind the scenes for doing all our sound tonight. So Esra, after that introduction, who and what is Esra and Wonder Studio?
So, Wonder Studio, we are an animation and design studio based in South Africa, and we do really cool work. It based off what's Esra, that's just my nickname I gave myself a few years back, because a lot of English-speaking people have trouble saying Etienne. So that's where that came from.
I have that same challenge, Etienne, when people are trying to pronounce my name in English, so they forget that there's an Irish link to it. But I feel you.